What's going on, Mercado Nation? It's your boy Mark.
I didn't know we were ready.
And Haley. Man, we're back with a video, but today's just a really quick one. It's a quick video, super quick. We're gonna pop these boxes open, but it's like a special day because these boxes here are our slowest locations that we have on route. We have 42 boxes out there. These are the slowest ones. So we're gonna let you know how much you can make if you were to have slow locations like us. So stay tuned as we pop these open. First location, guys, right here. Not gonna tell you the name of it. It's a hair salon, and the box is pretty darn full. Meaning, box is full. There's really not that much money in it. But we will see, guys. Whoa, there's no zip tie.
Oh boy.
There's no. What spot was this? Oh, no big deal. It's okay. Yeah, that's a good location. For some reason, there's no zip tie, so I'm kind of upset about that.
We probably forgot.
But yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. $7. This is going to be like a monthly location, so this is really a really slow salon. Not a lot of foot traffic, and I think she does appointments only, and people just go there whenever they have a hair appointment.
This is the type of location that after you get all your locations, you want to try and replace
exactly,
but
to have a nice strong route.
For the time being, it'll do, because we got a full box of candy and $7 shouldn't have even been in there. So.
Not only that, guys, exactly, there's no theft, and we made $7 for absolutely doing anything. So $7, very slow location in 3 weeks. We're gonna make it a monthly location. 4 weeks, same thing. A month, we're actually gonna do more than 4 weeks. So 4 weeks is 28 days. We're gonna do 30 days or 31. So that way we go there every month. So let's pop open the second one. Second box right here, guys.
Another salon.
Another salon. Let's see how much is in it today, guys. Look at the box is full with candy. Absolutely full. This one has a red zip tie. It's my favorite color. Ugh. I popped it open. As you can see, this keeps us secure, man. And again, another slow, very slow location. We got 2,
These could go on like
3,
2 months.
4, 5, 6. Wow, another 7. So these locations here, we got 2 locations so far, guys. I did $7 each. That's a slow location for you. They do exist. We don't have only killer locations. We have slow, mediocre, and the very high traffic ones. But like I said, we love these locations. There's never any theft. And yeah, guys, we're gonna show you the third spot of the day. Third box, guys, right here. Still a lot of candy. And what kind of location is this?
This is a restaurant.
This one here is a restaurant. Box is full still with candy. I hear a little change. Let's just see how much is in it. Ooh, even worse. Even worse. We got 1, 2, 3, at least 5, 4, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 70, 76. Wow.
76.
476, 3 weeks. That's a really slow location, guys. That's kind of reminding me of like one of my candy machines.
It's terrible.
Man, that is so bad. So bad. Hopefully this 4th location is better. 4th spot, restaurant, right?
Did the best.
This one did the best for the day, but it's considered a slow location. Let's see what's in it. Ooh. Okay. It's not too bad, but we'll see what's in it.
All of that candy being gone.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, It's 15. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 1641. 1641. There's a little less. I mean, yeah, a little less than half. It's still good. I think it still did good. If there is theft, there's only like $1 or $2 in theft, to be honest. We're gonna total up, let you know how much these 4 slow, extremely slow boxes did. So, how much did we make?
$35.17.
$35.17.
Well, the plus side is that's basically a whole box of product gone, and we have 3 and a little less than half of boxes. So, I mean, ultimately we actually made out, but realistically our weeklies do like this much in a week.
Like 1 box, like, yeah, a box and a half. But it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna have the slow locations. Eventually, it's get to 100 and start picking at these locations to make them stronger ones to build a really strong route, right?
Yep.
So that's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. These are the Mercados. Until the next one, as I always say, you gotta stay safe, stay humble, hustle hard, and I'll see you maybe tomorrow. Peace.